We're here at Roger and Sue Monks to install an 8 kilowatt Aira heat pump, a 250 litre indoor unit, and to replace all of the radiators in order to make the heat distribute more efficiently. Roger and Sue are very environmentally conscious and they've already taken a number of steps to decarbonise their home. Some time ago they installed solar panels on their roof, and the next logical step was for them to take on a heat pump to take them completely off of gas. One of the benefits that Roger and Sue identified in choosing Aira as their installer was the fact that we manufacture the heat pump as well as install it, and we don't use subcontractors, along with the Aira all-inclusive plan, which ensures that we'll be here to hold their hand for the next 15 years with any questions or queries they might have. The Aira all-inclusive plan allows our customers to have full confidence that we'll be here to support them with any issues with their heat pump for a 15-year period. What happens is those customers pay for the heat pump up front, oftentimes getting government subsidy support to help them with that, and then Aira take over from there, ensuring that there's nothing for them to consider for the next 15 years. One of the things that Roger and Sue like most about their Aira heat pump is the fact that they can set it and then just forget all about it. With the Aira Intelligence, they can set the temperature that they want in their house, and then the heat pump itself takes care of all of the rest. To this end, we've organised for a 15-year comfort guarantee, which ensures that your property will reach the desired temperatures even on the coldest day.